Hey guys, Justin here. There's no bigger buzzkill than getting blocked by OpenAI when you're on your 100th iteration of your Studio Ghibli meme generator and it tells you you've reached your daily allotment for images. Today, I'm going to show you a pro tip and a hack for using your OpenAI API key to get around their daily limit on image generation. So come with me, let's dive in and break that stupid buzzkill image generation limiter. All right, guys, let's dive in and get around the OpenAI daily image limit using our OpenAI API key. So this is super frustrating. I hate it when I get blocked when I'm, deep in thought on like multiple iterations of an image. So let's take a look at how to leverage the OpenAI API to get around it. So this is pretty cool. You just log in to your OpenAI account via the OpenAI API login, and that can be reached at platform.openai.com. I have a separate video on how to find your API keys, so that tells you everything you need to know in order to get to this screen. Also, I'll provide the link to this in the description for this video. But once you're in, you're going to notice several links up here at the top. The one that we care about today is the playground. And just like it says, it's a place where we can play with all of the different OpenAI models. So when you click on the playground, the first thing it's going to do is take you to prompt generator screen where you can play around with different prompts for different models. This is all cool, but that's not what we're worried about today. Today, we're trying to create unlimited images. So if you notice right below the three dots, there is an image icon. If you click on images, boom, you're going to come here to the image generator playground. And in the image generator playground, there is all kinds of goodies here. You can select from a template of image types that you can generate. There's a lot of really cool stuff in here. Birthday cards, chocolate bars. I mean, really, really fun stuff to mess around with. Wall art posters, things like that. Virtual try on, that sounds pretty cool. You can come in here and change the quality of the image, change the different sizes of the image. So you could do portrait, square, landscape. And then you can select the number of images up to 10 per prompt that you provide. So, and then after that, you can attach files. So if you wanted to attach a file of some sort of image or something like that as inspiration, you can do that. But then you can just enter your prompt. And once you do so, you're going to be output up to 10 different images at a time for each prompt that you've given. So instead of what you're used to in the Chat GPT console, where you get one image at a time per prompt, you can get up to 10 in here. Now, the caveat to this is you are consuming tokens when you're in the playground. So when you're just using ChatGPT and the console, you're only paying your $20 per month ChatGPT subscription fee. In here, when you're paying for tokens, each image you generate is costing you tokens, right? So just keep that in mind. Yes, this is a way to get unlimited image generation. However, that is going to cost you in the terms of tokens. Some people don't care. Some people don't want to get blocked. My recommendation is you can use the console until you do get blocked, have your API key, log in, come into the API key side of things, go to the playground and resume right where you left off, generating images with your latest prompt. Just copy and paste that over here. And you can see, I use this all the time to generate all kinds of images for my own personal content. And I encourage you guys to do the same thing. This is a super cool pro tip to get unlimited image generation and not get blocked, and generate tons and tons of images for some of those really big projects that you might be working on. If you like this video and you want to see more, like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a great day.